This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Range Rover Velar headlight. First, you'll need to remove the 4T10 Torx screws securing the top of the grille. Once those are out, gently pull the grille forward to release its clips from the bumper. Next, you'll need to partially detach the front bumper. This involves removing several bolts and clips, allowing the bumper to move freely. This crucial first step creates the necessary clearance to access the headlight assembly. With the grille and bumper partially moved, focus on the fender liner. Remove any screws holding it in place and pull it back to expose more of the headlight area. You'll find a particularly challenging bolt located high up behind the headlight assembly. This often requires a small ratchet and patience. Continue to carefully disengage any remaining clips that secure the bumper, ensuring it can be pulled out far enough to reveal all headlight mounting points. Now you can focus on the headlight itself. There are typically 3 main bolts holding the headlight assembly in place, 1 at the top and 2 along the bottom. Once these bolts are removed, the headlight might still be held by some adhesive or tight tabs. Gently pry the unit free, perhaps using a plastic wedge and a rubber mallet if needed, to avoid damage. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the headlight to fully remove it. Once the old headlight is out, prepare for installation by ensuring all mounting points are clean and clear. Connect the electrical plug to your new headlight, then carefully align it and secure it with the 3 main bolts. Reassemble the bumper, grille, and fender liner by reversing the removal steps, making sure all clips and screws are properly fastened. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed during your projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.